Dear students, this is my second video for Pearson Edexcel IGCSE exam paper 1H. This exam was taken on November 2023. In this video, I will answer you from question number 7 to question number 12. Let us start with question number 7. Find the highest common factor HCF of A and B. Give your answers as product of powers of its prime factors. Prime factors are already given here, if you notice that. Okay, here 5 cube, here 5 to the power 6, and here 7 square, 7 cube, and here 11 to the power 4 and 11 to the power 6. Okay, so how to find the common factor between them? Look here, because 5 cube is the number here can be taken common from both of them. And here 7 square can be taken common from between both of them, and 11 to the power 4 will be common between them. Okay, so these numbers are common factors here. So what will be the highest common factor in this case? It will be 5 cube multiply, from here you have to take 7 square because 7 cube is there, so you can take 7 square. 7 square will be common between them. Okay, and here 11 to the power 4 and 11 to the power 6, so 11 to the power 4 will be common factor. So this will be the answer for this question. 5 cube multiply 7 square, 5 cube multiply 7 square multiply 11 to the power 4. This is the answer for question number 7. Question number 8. Solve inequality. For solving inequality, you have to collect x on one side here, and number should go to the other side. Plus 3x becomes minus. If you bring it to the other side of inequality, it will be 8x minus 3x, and it will be greater or equals. 4 goes to the right side, it becomes plus, because it is negative 4, it becomes plus 4. Okay, 8 minus 3x will be 5x, should be greater or equals to negative 6. 5 is a positive number, so you will divide by 5, and inequality remains same. Okay, in this case still it is minus 6 over 5. So x is greater or equals to negative 6 over 5. For the next part, the region R shown shaded in the diagram is bounded by 3 straight lines. Write down the 3 inequalities that define the region R. First of all, you must know the equation of these lines. Look at the line that is passing through the center. This line, okay, that is passing through the center. So there is the rise and run is equal, so it will be equals to y equals to x. This equation will be equals to y equals to x. The equation of this line will be y equals to x. And here, you know, this line is passing from y equals to 2, so you can write as y equals to 2 here. Okay, because this line is passing through y equals to 2, this line. Okay, equation of this line is y equals to 2. Let me use a different color for the third line. This is the other line. Here it is passing through, this line is passing through x equals to 7. Okay, so we got 3 equation of lines, 3 equation of line. It is passing through 7. Now the rule is very simple. Look here, one equation, because the shader region is below this line, therefore inequality will be, you can write the inequality for that case. First inequality for the black line, let me write it here. It will be y is less or equals to x. This is the first inequality. Why it is less or equals? Because it is below this line, the shaded region is below this line. Okay, now the green line, you know, it is on the left side of this line, so still it is less. Okay, if it is on the right side, it will be greater. Okay, so x is less or equals to 7, it will be the second inequality. X is less or equals to 7 is the second inequality. And what about the third inequality, the blue line, y equals to 2, because the shaded region is above this line. For above, it is greater. Okay. Again, I'm repeating my words. Below is less or equal, above greater or equal, left side less or equals. Okay, if it is complete line. Okay, equals is then, if sometimes there is a dotted line, then you will not use the equal sign. Okay, anyways, here is the complete line, so you will use the equal, less or equal, and above is greater or equal. So y is greater or equals to 2. Y is greater or equals to 2. So this is the answer for question number, this was question number 8. Okay, hopefully you understand it. Question number 9, write as ordinary number. You know, if the power is negative, very simple rule, this point goes, how many, the power, it will go towards left side. How many places? 4 places. Okay, it comes here. Like one place is already there, so you need to fill up more 3 zeros to complete the answer. Okay, it will be 0.0000587. If the power is negative, it moves, the point goes left side. Okay, look at the power 4 unit. Before it was between 5 and 8, so from 5 it will come from here to here 4 units. Okay, count the numbers, they are 4. So answer will be 0.000587. Now point is here, you will make the standard form like in the powers of 10, count the digits, so point will come here, over here. Okay, here between 4 and 8, because for standard form there should be exactly one non-zero digit before the decimal, so point should come between 4 and 8. Count the number of digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it is 7 digits. Okay, there are 6 zeros and fourth number 7, so it will be 8.4 multiply 10 to the power 7. Okay, because if you rewrite again to the ordinary number, you know, so you will move the point towards right side 7 digits, because power is positive. So answer will be 8.4 multiply 10 to the power 7. Okay, now the number of neurons in a human brain is 8.5 multiply 10 to the power 10. The number of neurons in a monkey brain is 1.47 multiply 10 to the power 9. The number of neurons in human brain is, like number of neuron in human brain, whenever there is a word is, it means equal. Okay, is means equals, so you can write as this is equals, it means human brain number of neurons are 8.5 multiply 10 power 10, so this will be equals to k times of this number. Okay, so by given condition you can write as 8.5 multiply 10 to the power 10 should be equals to k times the number of neurons in a monkey brain, that is 1.47 multiply 10 to the power 9. For sure this number is multiplying here. If you bring this number to the left side, so it will divide the other side. Okay, for sure. Therefore we can write as 8.5 multiply 10 to the power 10 divided by 1.47 multiply 10 to the power 9 equals to k. You are allowed to use calculator, but better if you simplify these two numbers. You must know how to simplify directly without using calculator. 10 to the power 9 can be cancelled with 10, because it left with one power only. Okay, these powers will be subtracted, and then this 10 will multiply with 8.5 and you get the answer. 8.5 multiply 10 is 85 and divide by 1.47 and simplify by using calculator, you get the answer 57.8. so this is the answer for this part, 57.8. Here is the triangle ABC. Work out the values of x, value of x. Look at the diagram. This point could be written as D, and now we have two triangles. Okay. There are many ways to solve this, but best way, I think, if you get the this side, the base of this triangle, okay, we will able to find the value of x easily by using the triangle trigonometric ratios formulas. Okay. First of all, I will consider triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, in this triangle, because the adjacent or opposite over adjacent is equals to 10, so tan 40 we can write as tan 40. If you remember the formula, that is opposite over adjacent. Okay, so opposite is here, it is given, that is 8, and you need to find adjacent. Okay, so it will be equals to 8 over, you can write as AD, because we want to find AD. Then AD goes to the left side, will multiply, you can interchange them to get the value of AD. So AD will be equals to 8 divided by tan 40. Get your answer from here by using calculator. 8 divided by tan 40, answer is 9.5. Correct to one decimal place, it is 9.5. 9.5 9.5 meters. Okay, so we can get the value of BD from here, because AB is 22, total length is 22. We got the value of AD. How to get the value of BD? We will subtract this value from 22. 22 minus 9.5. 22 minus 9.5 gives you the answer 12.5. Okay, now we will use the other triangle. In triangle ADB, the other triangle, okay, ADB, this one. Now we got the value for this part, that is 12.5. okay, and we will use the same formula for tan x. Tan x will be equals to 8 over 12.5, and x can be found by taking the inverse of this value, inverse of 8 over 12.5. Shift 10, then you write the same value over on in your calculator and get the answer for it. That will be, it is given as 32.6. So 32.6 is the answer. For question number 11, express 3 over 4 plus 5 minus x over 6x as single fraction in its simplest terms. Fraction could be solved if the denominators are same. To make the same denominator, we must find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. The table of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, it goes, and then 6, 12, 18, like that. There are more commons, but 12 is the least common. Okay, so LCM for 4 and 6 is 12, but there is x there, so it will be 12x. So we must make 12 in both denominators. How to get 12 here? You must multiply this by 3x. Okay, you must multiply this number by 3x. So 3 should multiply 3x as well. Okay, because you are multiplying denominator by 3x, so you have to multiply numerator by 3x. Plus 6x is the denominator, but we want to make LCM. LCM is 12x. In that case, we must make 12x in both denominators. So here, how to get 6x by into 12? You multiply by 2. So you have to multiply 2 by the numerator as well. Now the denominators are same. 3 multiply 3 is 9x. Divide by 12, 12x plus 10 minus 2x divided by 12x. Because denominators are same, so you can add the numerators. So 12x, it will be 9x plus 10 minus 2x. Solving x values together, it will be 7x plus 10 divided by 12x. So this is the required answer, okay, for this question. 7x plus 10 divided by 12x. Write this thing in the given space. 7x plus 10 divided by 12x. Okay, question number 12. First part, complete the table of values for y equals to x cubed minus 3x plus 1. Values of x are given, so easily you can find the values of y. Just replace x with negative 2 and get the value of y. Here, see. When x is minus 2, you can replace negative 2 cube, negative 3, negative 2 plus 1. We'll get the answer negative 8 plus 6 plus 1. So answer will be negative 1. So negative 1 you can write here. Now you replace x with negative 1, so it will be minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 plus 1 equals to negative 1 plus 3 plus 1, and answer will be 3. When x is 0, so both will be 0 and answer will be 1. It is easy to figure out. Now replace x with 2, so it will be 2 cube minus 3 into 2 plus 1. So it will be 8 minus 6 plus 1, and answer will be 3. So this is 3. Okay, so table is completed. Now for the next part, on the grid draw the graph from negative 2 to 2. So better you write these points here in order, so to sketch the graph easily. So first point is minus 2 and minus 1. This is the first point. Second point, we can write here first value is x and then 3, so it is negative 1 and 3. Second point will be 0 and 1, and fourth point will be 1 and negative 1, and fifth point is 2 and 3. So we can draw these points on this grid easily. Let us draw. First of all, you must know where is minus 2 and minus 1. Okay, negative 2, negative 1. Negative 2 and negative 1 is here. See, x is negative 2, negative 1. Negative 2, negative 1 is here. So this is the first point. Okay, and the next point minus 1 and 3. Negative 1 and 3. Negative 1 and 3 will be here. So draw this point here. Okay, and then 0 and 1. 0 and 1 is here. X is 0 and 1 is here. Okay, and then 1 and negative 1. 1 and negative 1 is here. 1 and negative 1 is here. Okay, and the last point 2 and 3. 2 is here and 3 goes up here. Okay, 2 and 3. So these are required 5 points. Now how to draw? Do not use ruler here. You have to use your hand freely. Okay, join the points, make a curve like. Okay, do not draw with the ruler. So draw freely like that, join these points from here to here, and then it will pass through this point, and then from here, and it goes up. Okay, so like this you will draw the graph. Hopefully you understand it. Okay, now here are 4 graphs given. 4 graphs are given here. Okay, actually these are 4 basic graphs for reciprocal functions. Let me write the equations for these graphs. You have to memorize them. When y is equals to k over x, graph looks like this, but the value of k should be positive, like here the numerator should be positive here, okay, greater than 0. These two graphs are similar reciprocal functions, and here still it is for y equals to k over x, but in this case graph is reflected over y-axis, so k is less than 0. So this is the graph for these two functions. Okay, you must memorize them, but best way is like that. Okay, otherwise it will be difficult for you. You must know how to sketch the reciprocal graphs. When the graph is like that, y equals to k over x square, graph looks like that, but k value is greater than 0. Okay, so it will be positive, and here it will reflect over x-axis, so it will be y equals to k over x square. In this case, value of k is less than 0. It means it is negative. So find out which condition is satisfying this one. If you notice that k is less than 0 here, and we cannot take a and c because denominator is only x, not a square, so squares are these two graphs, so we will choose these two. And because here we have negative, so we have to choose D. So D is the answer. Hopefully you understand this. Okay, that's it. Up to question number 12. In the next video I will teach you from 13 to question number 18.